Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, your go-to place if you are a complete beginner or you are looking to upgrade your data analytics skills. Let's say you want to level up or you are wondering how to break into the world of data analytics but feeling so overwhelmed by where to start, or you are already learning but you need real projects and practical guidance to take things to the next level. You are in the right place. Yes, I want to tell you that you are in the right place. My name is Justina Raphael-Ojo, and on this channel, I simplify data analytics for you in a simple way that will help you to take your journey that will help you to simplify your journey in the world of data analytics. I know how overwhelming it can be when you are just starting. Yes, I can relate with that. I know how overwhelming it can be. I mean all the tools and no clear roadmap. That is why I created this channel. And in this video tutorial, I just want to help you on how to make use of my channel, how to navigate my channel. So a lot of people have been say they have been that have been sending message on they need project to work on this particular on this particular aspect on this place. So and I feel that maybe some people don't know how to navigate this page very well. So I want to tell you that I want to use this opportunity, this video, to just show you the project I've created to help you and to help you make your journey easier in the world of data analytics. Yeah, learning by yourself can be so overwhelming. But again, if you show consistency and discipline, and also if you really want to learn very well, you will discipline yourself, and then you show up for yourself to be able to make this journey easier for you. Yes, if you need any personal help, you can still message me on this. So I just want to use this video to help you move from I don't know how to start, I don't know where to start, to I just built this amazing dashboard. So in this channel, I have put together over 100 tutorial. Yes, I have put together over 100 tutorial on Excel for data analysis, for data cleaning formula and dashboard, and Power BI for interactive and dynamic reports. Also, Lookout Studio, and also complete project to build your portfolio. And these are the things that you are going to be enjoy while you explore this page. So this, we have so many projects on Excel, we have so many projects on Power BI, and also Lookout Studio, and also beginner video on how to navigate Excel, on how to navigate Power BI, and so on. So this video tutorial is just to show you that whatever you need to learn in your data analytics journey, you will get it here. You will get it here. And the best part in my channel is I provide free downloadable data set, also background or design for dashboard that you can use to practice and build real world data. So if you are trying to navigate through this page, all you need to do is when you click on Justina Raphael-Ojo or Everything Data Analytics, just type Justina Raphael-Ojo in your YouTube channel. Once you do that, the first thing is go to the video. You might be in the home, so just click, go to this is home. It will definitely bring you to this home, and then click the videos. You will see all the video. Once you click the video, you will see all the video on different channels. And also the best thing is I put them into playlist too. I put this video into playlist that you can use to enjoy this. I put this video into playlist, and then you will have this Power BI crash course. So if you are learning Power BI, you will see that you are just starting to learn Power BI. So I have a crash course, what's it called, playlist there. You will see this will help you step by step. You see lesson 1, lesson 2 up to lesson 6, and this will help you to navigate through Power BI. Also, we have various, I have also Excel data cleaning. If you want to make use of how to use Power Query in Excel, this video is also for you. You can learn Power Query in Excel using this playlist. You can learn it using this
Hi
playlist.
everyone, welcome back to the second
That is it. So you can learn it, you can learn different thing here. So I have project on Tableau. This is project on Tableau. This is project on Tableau. And also I have project on energy consumption. We have a sales project. If it is sales project that you want, this is sales project. If it is Excel tutorial that you want, we have over 22 videos on Excel tutorial, and I have over 35 videos on Power BI. I have 17 videos on sales analyst or on sales project. So just watch the video, and once you watch the video, this will help you to navigate through the journey. This will help you to navigate through the journey. So what I also want to put you through is how to how to download data. So let's take for example that you want to replicate this real estate video tutorial. You want to replicate it, and then you want to use the same data, because I see people saying that, oh, they need data set for this particular tutorial, and I've put it in the video description how you can download it, the link to download. So let's say you want to follow up, you want to do this video description, you want to
Hi everyone, welcome.
you want to practice this, you want to replicate this. All you need to do is, once you click on the video, just click on this more, click on this one, you will see download data set. Download data set. So this is the link to download the data set. Just click on the links. Once you click on the link, you will see these are these three data sets. This income, expenses, leases, and property. These are the data set that I use, and this is the background that I use, which I've put together to help you and make the journey easier. So now all you need to do if you want to download this now just click on this three icon, then click on download. If I click on download now, you will see it will download here. Then come right here to click on download, come to this place. You see now that one is downloading, it has downloaded. Do the same thing and click on download. So that is how to download, to get the data set, and also whatever I put there to help you. That is how to get everything together. That is how to get it together. So now every tutorial in this channel, is designed to not just teach tools, but to teach you how to think like a data analyst. So here is what you do. What do you do next year now? Once you search for this name, Justina Raphael-Ojo. Once you search for my name, and it will bring you to this home page, all you need to do is to click the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe to this channel, explore the playlist. These are the playlists that I've shown you earlier on. All the videos, or just click the video. Explore the video that interests you, then download the data set that I've shown you how to do, and start building. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to give me your feedback, and also put on your notification button to be able to receive updates on all the tutorial that I share every week. Remember, learning data analytics is just a journey. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start, and I am here to work with you every step of the way. Welcome to Everything Data Analytics family. Let's build your future together. Remember, one data set at a time. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Bye. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye.